Hey, hello. I just wanted to tell you real quickly about 3 things that you're not going to learn from me, that we're not going to talk about in this workshop. It is developing your client, your ideal client persona, your avatar, your thingy. I don't believe in those. I'm not going to teach you. I'm not going to make you one. I may tell you in the workshop why I don't think you need them and what you need instead. The other thing is consistency. If you've been following me for a while, you may notice that there's busy little things going out every day that are always ending in just saying. They're scheduled, they're programmed, and they'll happen every day for 4 months. And then when my calendar says that I have to reschedule them, I might forget. You may not see any for a week, 2 weeks, a month, and then suddenly it happens again. But with my other posts, you've probably realized that I can be very visible and post multiple times a week, and then suddenly I drop off the wagon and there's nothing from me apart from these busy little things for 2 weeks, right? So consistency, you don't need it. Ideal client avatar, you don't need it. And the other thing, looking for clients. Ew, tedious exercise. Let's not go there. I'm here to tell you that using LinkedIn as your main marketing strategy, using LinkedIn to get new clients, get leads, works even if your ideal client isn't on LinkedIn themselves. How cool is that? So I'd say make an effort, show up, be there. It's an interactive thing, right? I'll be teaching you a little bit, but then we're going to bring people on the spot and work through it with them right there and then, because that is what you learn the most from. Can't make it? Kids will survive on potato chips, soft drinks and iPads for an hour, but if you really, really, really can't make it, still sign up. You'll get access to the recording, but you'll learn the most from showing up live and being fully present for 90 minutes, so it's an hour and a half, because this is not a webinar, this is an interactive workshop, and I'm not even going to sell you anything. So we're not going to waste any time on, this is my amazing program, this is what it covers, this is what it costs, but you're only going to pay this, and you're going to get these bonuses. We're not going to do any of that. We're going to spend the time workshopping, coaching, literally implementing what I talk about. So, you're going to be there? See you next time.